Most people lose money in crypto for one reason. They don't have a system. They chase hype, follow influencers, and panic sell. Crypto Wealth Mastery is built to fix that. What is Crypto Wealth Mastery? It's a step-by-step crypto education program designed for beginners and everyday investors who want clarity instead of confusion. No advanced jargon. No emotional trading. Who should consider this? New crypto investors. People who lost money before. Anyone tired of random strategies. Not for gamblers or people expecting instant profits. What you learn inside. How crypto cycles work. Smart entry and exit strategies. Risk management. Long-term portfolio building. This teaches you how to think, not what coin to chase. Why it stands out. Most crypto courses are too technical. Assume experience. Focus on hype. This one focuses on clarity and consistency. Is it worth it? If you want confidence, structure, smarter decisions, then yes, especially compared to guessing or relying on signals. Final thoughts. Crypto Wealth Mastery won't make you rich overnight, and that's a good thing. It teaches skills that compound over time. Click the link below to check pricing and bonuses.